material is titanium alloy, with a total length of 272 mm, presenting challenges that require customized tools for processing. The internal bore features a two-tiered step design, with a diameter of 19.6 mm and a depth of 242.37 mm. It demands a smoothness of RA 3.2. Additionally, it seamlessly connects to a 14.1 mm diameter hull, with a curved transition, adding to the complexity. However, our engineers successfully achieved, through optimized process design and machining parameters, we ensure concentricity control within 0.05 for the internal bore and outer circumference.